I found this while walking and I decided to pick it. It's so beautiful. I don't know what it's called yet, but I'll find out when I get home and set it to some water. I couldn't resist to also grab this absolutely gorgeous daisy. I think it is, or maybe like a little sunflower. I will look it up when I get home, but I went ahead and I grabbed one. There are other ones, but I'm only gonna grab one. And I'm looking forward to taking care of it and seeing how long it lasts. What a beautiful little flower. I couldn't resist, I just had to grab one. Got my Godzilla cup